Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 Pro and Infinix Hot S3. Infinix Hot S3 sports a Snapdragon 430 processor with Adreno 505 GPU. Base variant starts at 9,000 rupees and that's the one I'm using in the video with 3GB of RAM. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. Base variant starts at 14,000 rupees for 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Next variant is priced at 17,000 rupees for just 6GB of RAM. Currently I'm using the 4GB RAM variant in this video. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Redmi Note 5 Pro was 14 seconds faster than Infinix Hot S3. Now let's see how it performs in the regular speed test. Now I'll start the regular speed test where I open the same set of apps on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is when compared to the other phone. Even though there's a huge difference between both the phones purely in terms of raw numbers, there isn't a huge difference in the actual performance. Yes, Note 5 Pro was faster throughout the speed test, but Infinix Hot S3 did a pretty decent job too. Anyway, in the speed test, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the winner as expected. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. By the way, I have the 4GB RAM variant of Redmi Note 5 Pro and 3GB RAM variant of Infinix Hot S3. Memory management is really good on the Note 5 Pro and it's pretty average on Infinix Hot S3. It was barely able to keep 8 applications in memory. But while retrieving apps from memory, Infinix Hot S3 is as responsive as the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So guys, even in the memory management test, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the winner, and just for a quick suggestion, even if you get the 4GB RAM variant, Infinix Hot S3 will lose in the memory management round because its software is not very well optimized. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.